Let's go to the Shading tab at the top, and work on the material nodes. Select the main BSDF node, and X to delete. Shift-A to add a new node. Let's add a diffuse node, and Shift-D to duplicate it. Time to add a mix node. This is what we already know. If we pick yellow and red for two diffuse nodes, the result is going to be orange. We can use a color ramp node to control which node should have more influence like this. If we move the white, the color is going to be more reddish. If we move the black, the color is going to be more yellow. What if we want to separate the red and yellow and control the affected regions instead? We need separate XYZ and texture coordinate nodes. With the Node Wrangler add-on activated, I can press Ctrl-T on the XYZ node to launch more nodes automatically like this. We won't need these two nodes for now. By separating from the Z-axis, we can control the vertical regions by moving the black or the white sliders. So, what's so special about this node setup? Do you remember we had two diffuse nodes to begin with? Let's select and delete the second diffuse node, and add the glass node instead. This setup is special, because it allows us to mix completely different types of the nodes. Now we have a diffuse and glass nodes mixed, and the affected regions can be controlled vertically. Let's add a teapot. If you don't have it, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Select the teapot, and Shift-select the cube to copy the cube's material like this. Ctrl-3 to subdivide. Right-click and Shade Smooth to smooth the surface. Let's duplicate the mesh twice, and set the usual RGB colors. Please click this number button to make the material unique for the selected mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.